Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Chatgpt access denied. First, go to Chatgpt homepage. Then, as you can see here, at the top right corner, click the three dots. Then, click the settings. Now, go to privacy and security. Then, let's proceed to cookies and other site data. After you click it, scroll down, then click seal the site data and permission. Then, right here at the top right side, you need to type OpenAI. Just press top down menu and clear up cookies. Then, go back to your account. But if it's still not working, go to your browser and search for VPN. And choose right here, then sign up. So you can just have a free trial of it. And then try again and open ChatGPT on your account. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.